What's going on, everybody? Once again, it's your boy, Nate Nixon, coming with another episode of Nate Loses the Weight. I know you probably got a kick out of that first episode, but that was me just coming out of the gate thinking that I could do something that my body was clearly trying to tell me that it couldn't. Let me explain. I'm 45 years old, and I moved here. I'm here in sunny Warner Robins, Georgia, right? Moved here in 2007, and when I moved to Georgia, I was 155 pounds. And like I told you before, my weight just kept ballooning and ballooning. But what happens is my mind obviously didn't get the memo. So I thought, like how I could do back in the day, I thought I could just drop down and give you 100. And it was at that moment that Nate Ritt, well, you saw it. So it's been a minute since my last episode. I had some technical issues. I had some cameras that I was trying to use and everything to try to, do this thing and do it on a more consistent basis, which I will. But like I said, I had some equipment that didn't quite work out the way that I wanted it to. I had a camera and I was getting all of this stuff on film, but I couldn't get it into the computer. I couldn't upload it anywhere. I tried different methods and stuff. I have videos of me in the kitchen cooking these meals and doing all kind of push-ups all over my job and everything like that. I couldn't get none of that stuff on the computer. Maybe I'll figure it out some way, or whatever to show you. But I got some new toys. I got some new toys that I'm going to show you shortly. Some new toys that's going to actually work with me doing this weight thing. And when it comes to showing you the different meals and stuff that I prepare and what I eat and everything like that, I think I got a little solution for all of that. But there are a few of you out there who have helped me in terms of, giving me some tips, some dietary tips, along with what I've been doing. I don't eat bread. I stopped eating bread. It's been about a month. Well, let me correct that. I stopped eating bread about a month ago, but, one or two trips to Subway, might be the opportunity that I take, to have bread or whatever. But for the most part, bread isn't in my, my everyday diet anymore. If anything, I buy wraps and I wrap things up. I don't eat white rice, white flour, white sugar, you know. Pretty much stay away from, well, white foods and things like that. Um, Vegetables have become my favorite, you know. Not to say that I didn't like vegetables, but now I'm enjoying vegetables. Like I'm enjoying, vegetables more and more. Like with my meals, I have at least two vegetables. Even, in the morning when I'm cooking eggs or something like that, I like to put some onions and peppers and things like that. But going back to, telling you a little bit more about myself, man. 45 years old, and my sons are my inspiration for doing this. I want to show them, just how to stick to something, how to, commit. And when you put your mind to something, you could do it. I believe with this weight loss, there's, people take pills and uh, all kind of crazy methods to lose weight, operations and things like that. But I personally believe that the way that you put it on is the way that you take it off. So, with that being said, everything is natural for me. You know, that's why I'm changing my diet. And every once in a while, I throw some exercises up in there. I got a surprise for you in a few minutes. But I'm going to lose this weight, man. And when I started on this journey, once again, as you know, I was 230 pounds. I'm going to show you where I am now since I started. And might shock you a little bit. You know, I lost a couple pounds, but I'll show you where I'm at, and then from now on, I'll be showing you more and more, over time as I lose the weight. So take this journey with me, as we lose this weight, man. Yo, I'll see you in a few minutes, because I got a surprise for you. All right, here I am. And like I told you, I got some toys. First off, the first toy I got, I'm filming myself with it. The second toy I got, check this out. A couple of these things. The third toy, you ready for this? Bam. That just goes to show you that I'm really serious about that. I ain't gonna bring all of this stuff in here unless I'm gonna use it. And as I said earlier, a few minutes ago, I need to show you something. I think I owe you guys some push-ups or something, right? Let's get to it. Okay, 45 for starters. A little bit better than before, but just to show you that the time in between you seeing me last, I've been on my grind. I'll even throw another little exercise in there for you. Listen, it only take a few minutes, and I plan on doing some different things on different days. I've been watching a lot of videos that have 4 and 5 minute workouts that you do every day. And I'm gonna be showing you guys that. I'm gonna incorporate all of that. Nate gonna lose this weight. You see that pull-up bar right there? That always been my Achilles heel. Pull-ups are the hardest. Anybody that conquers pull-ups, and we gonna conquer pull-ups. Just not today. Or tomorrow. Give me about a month. Give me about a month of doing my daily exercises and strengthening and everything like that. Then we'll try to do the pull-ups. Because if I try it now, that'll definitely be the moment where Nate figured out that well, you already know. It's another 25. Plus 45. 70. Is Nate loses the weight trying to tell you something? I don't know. We'll find out. Man, look at this dude right here, man. He be trying, though. He be trying. But boy, you better not do another one of them, not a damn one of them things again before next time you lift them legs, you push them eggs out or something. Watch this boy stumble back to the camera. Watch this. Them things ain't no joke. Them suckers right there. Well, I'm up on them too. More than I did before. Because my stomach, even though now I'm down to about 7.5 pounds. Matter of fact, got something for you. Hold that. Remember I told you it was 2:30 when I started. Now I bought this. You see that? Now, the kind of camera that I have, I can't see what I'm pointing at. So hopefully everything that I'm pointing at is, well, you can see it. So we're gonna see where I'm at right now. Oh, did I gain weight? Or is that damn me being on this carpet? Let's see. Okay, that's more like it. $220, maybe $222, maybe $220. Scared myself there for a second. Leave them suckers off of the carpet. Let's see if we got anything left in the tank. As promised in the first video, 100. Normally, I do 40, 30, and 30. But I guess that extra 45 kind of broke everything up, but your boy getting better. A lot than that 50 I struggled for. And even if I rest a little while, I can even do 100 more, but we'll just leave it at that. So, it's your boy Nate, and I'm trying to lose that weight. Like and subscribe this, show it to your friends, share it, send me some recipes, send me some tips, send me some advice. Your opinion counts. Love you guys. Peace.